Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another sunrise. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin pulled back yesterday. So yesterday, in about 20 minutes, it went up $7,000 to a new all-time high of 109,000. And then it's been dropping since on Trump's inauguration because he didn't mention Bitcoin or crypto in any part of his inauguration. So Bitcoin has been falling since, and Trump also down to $39. If you remember, I sold at 55 yesterday, or 50, and I have buy orders at 29. I also moved 100K from my account to fund World Liberty Finance, the token of Donald Trump's son, that they have in seed round. So I'm going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. My account 1141, and I withdrew 100K, so it's 1241. New all-time high for the account was 1400 before Donald Trump pulled back, which is beautiful. Trump is at $39. If I sold, you can see here, I sold here at $50. Now we're at 39, and I've got a buy order. You can see down here at 29. I didn't actually fund this. I didn't buy Trump at 24. I bought it at $4, but I moved it into this centralized exchange at that price. Bitcoin 61,000 last night. Bitcoin 61,000 last night. It hit a new all-time high, almost 110K. You can see where I bought as well before yesterday at the dip at 99, and then we went to 109K. It looked like a huge pump. Within 20 minutes, we had a $7,000 pump to 109K, new all-time high. And then it just sideways and then just dropped off on Trump's inauguration back to 100K. So that pump was erased. And now we're getting bounced to 103K. My Bitcoin trade is 60K in the profits. Funding fee is positive. I paid 60K. I paid 2,400 to make 60K. It is a $661,000 Bitcoin trade. Ethereum, I added more on the dip before we pumped, and then we pumped to 3,400, and then we pulled back to 3,300. This Ethereum trade is a $464,000 trade, 2,900 negative. I paid 1,600 so far for this trade. Let's go into the technicals for Bitcoin. We're jumping into the technicals. Yesterday, the market, not so beautiful, to be honest, after that pullback. XRP was up 5%, TON 3%, Tesla was closed because the stock market is closed, Ethereum up 2%, Uni 2%, Bitcoin 1.8%. It pumped and then pulled back. Let's go into the technicals for Bitcoin. We're jumping into the technicals. Oh wait, We're jumping into the technicals. You can see that huge pump on Bitcoin, then pullback. On the weekly candles, Bitcoin is starting the week fresh with a strong pump. We bullish engulfing last week, and then a huge pump all the way to 110. Then it pulled back. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a blue buy back in February 2023 at 20K. Still a blue buy now at 103K. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell 4 weeks ago. Did not yet fire a buy. Stochastic is turning gray, trying to actually turn up, but not pushing up. It pushed up, but then pulled back. Yesterday on Trump's inauguration day, we had massive volume spike, huge volume on Bitcoin, double the normal volume. So we had traded on derivatives. We had 123,000 Bitcoin traded the day before. And then yesterday we had 300,000. So double the volume on Bitcoin, which is amazing. And you can see Bitcoin retested the breakout and then bounced. Descending triangle, builds pressure, breaks out, retested and bounced with volume. That's exactly what we needed to confirm this, which is good news. 4 hourly, it activated the trade yesterday. No, it came close to activating trade. We came down to 100K. The trade was at 99,200. I would keep the same trade, 99,200, stop loss 97, and take profit all the way to 137. Risk to reward is 17 times, risking $2,000, 2,100 to make 38,000 per Bitcoin. 10x leverage will be 380,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin on a bounce of this. Very suspicious pump and then dump. Like before the inauguration, $7,000 Bitcoin pump or $10,000 Bitcoin pump in a few hours, and then huge dump. It's a little bit suspicious actually, pump and dump. But apparently the dump started because Trump didn't mention Bitcoin. So that's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Gray line is where it opens, red is where it stop loss, green line where it hits. You learn all of this in the crypto master course. You also get the bots in the course. Let's go into Ethereum 3296. Ethereum on the daily descending triangle playing out, and big volume on Ethereum as well, which is beautiful. Descending triangle builds pressure, and breaks and pumps out. So we could pull back one more time, but the target is 4,100, and I would open it from support here 2.9 if we get a pullback, stop loss 2.7, and then take profit 4.1 for the first take profit. The second take profit target is 7,500. So risk toward 35 times, risking 128 Ethereum to make 4,500. 10x leverage would be 45,000. Those are the two trades I would take on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's go into Trumpcoin. Trump getting sold off very strong. You can see here Trumpcoin, Ethereum pulling back right now as well. Trumpcoin here $38, and you can see I sold it yesterday at, oh, that's on futures. Trump down 4% today. This is where I sold Trump yesterday at 48, and now we're at 38, and I've got my buy orders at 29 for 50,000. $29 for how many Trump? For 29,000. So it's 29,000 times $40 would be around 29,000 times 1,600 would be around $50,000 of Trump that it will buy at $29. Bitcoin trade and Ethereum trade are active. This account 1141, new all-time high. If you plus in the 100K, I put in World Liberty Finance, and which is beautiful. And join us in the Telegram. There's 317 online. People discussing WellFi token. This cannot be sold. Guru 100K launched. So there's a seed investment. It's an ICO for World Liberty Finance. People are saying you can't get the token. I think it'll be like a normal seed investment, but you have to do your own due diligence, everyone. People discussing World Liberty Finance plus trades, Bitcoin. You can join them and discuss inside the Telegram. There's 317 of you online. Go down below for the links underneath the video. You can sign up to Bybit, 60K bonus. Weex gives a $200 bonus on sign up. It's exclusive for USA, UK, and Australia. Bitunix 5,500 and KY free. And jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. And right now, Weex is giving away a Mercedes GLA for a trading competition before January 27th, which will be amazing. You can join them in there. And over on X, follow me on X. I've got 99,700 followers, 300 followers away from 100,000. Yesterday, 10,000 of you watched my video. The company of the 47th president of the United States just bought $47 million of Bitcoin, building the treasury of the future of America. World Liberty Financial. I added. You can go here, World Liberty, and follow them. I added 100. I bought 100K of World Liberty Finance, but you have to do your own due diligence. They bought 4.7 million Ethereum, 4.7 million Tron, 4.7 million Link, etc. You can see it down there. Make an image of people playing in a park. I just wanted to show people what they. That's my updates in the market, everyone. And apparently that Baron coin did turn out to be fake. It had a huge pullback. As I said, I warned everyone that I think it was fake, and then it had a pump and dump. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Now I'm being cautious trading the 4-hourly. I still have Bitcoin and Ethereum trades and altcoins. But we have to see now what happens. Buy the rumor, sell the news worked. We had a big drop of Bitcoin from 109 to 103, but still higher than where it was before. Let's see what Donald Trump announces. We need to see some cool announcements from him. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.